Hi there, it's George here, and in today's video I will have to show you my bamboo update in summertime. Well, behind me it is Phyllostasis aureole, which is golden bamboo which I planted, and I make video and I do updates sometimes. Now we are in June and we are getting warm, already it's warm, it's sunny, very sunny, that's it. And this new shoot was take off and it's very beautiful and strong, and let me show you close up. And now let me show you this wonderful bamboo, golden bamboo, which a new shoot take off from the ground, and this one is, it's quite thick as you can see here, and it's quite strong, and the branches growing already here makes it beautiful, and it's quite like 1 meter or something. It's very beautiful and healthy growing as you can see, and I really like here I planted bamboo, and here birds are and they singing. That's it, so beautiful. And the new leaves and the new branches as well, and another cane started to grow here. This one, it is not very big like the first one which I did show you, but anyway, here is it, and it will grow when new branches on the, like here on this one, but we'll see, the time will show us. Also, I had to clean the dried branches, but I will do that. Still I will wait, you know. I hope some new leaves will grow from that branches, but from this one I can see it's nothing. Anyway, so excited to see this one. And we'll see during the summertime how many shoots will grow on this golden bamboo. Really like to watch it right now in the sunset, and around these beautiful trees behind. Well, we will see how it will grow more, and hopefully will grow canes more thick and more tall. But I like this cell, how this one take off. In winter time it frozen a little bit. We are moving to the next bamboo which I planted from rhizomes. They are here. They suffered much more than the golden bamboo in winter time, and but they are still green. The leaves looks green here. Awesome, but on this one I cannot notice any new shoots. They quite long time have to wait. Anyway, they should grow. I will see, I will check. But one I noticed started to grow. I will show you why I noticed. If we moving a little bit away, it is the same from the rhizome which I did grow. That rhizome I got from Italy, and look at it. And the new shoot we can see here. As you can see, so beautiful. And we'll see how tall it will grow, this one. And look on the leaves of this variety. And I touch it and it's quite strong. Beautiful. Now next to the river I planted the same bamboo from rhizomes. You know, last time I did show you videos, and suffered a lot. This one much more suffered. I had supports, wooden supports here. There was shoots like this one, and I cut them because they frozen, but not all of them. The smallest shoots they didn't frozen, as you can see. But the good news is that here started to grow a new cane, as you can see. And we'll see quite tall it will grow, this one as well. And we'll see if in winter time will frozen or not, maybe not already. But anyway, who knows, we'll see. I will make update in winter time as well. It so looks like. And now I have to show you the moso bamboo which I grew from seed, that I grow in the pot, in that big pot, and it had some spider mites, and it was doing not really good, and I treated it, and now it so looks like, and the news is growing, but not was I expected. But anyway, during the summertime we will see. Also, I have another mosa bamboo, and this one is more small, but it's more healthy, as you can see. It's beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed my bamboo video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and greetings from Moldova. See you next time. Bye bye.